Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation and Liability Act, Cercla, commonly known as Superfund, was enacted by Congress on December 11, 1980. This law created a tax on the chemical and petroleum industries and provided broad federal authority to respond directly to releases or threatened releases of hazardous substances that may endanger public health or the environment. Over 5 years, $1.6 billion was collected, and the tax went to a trust fund for cleaning up abandoned or uncontrolled hazardous waste sites. The Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation and Liability Act of 1980, Cercla, established prohibitions and requirements concerning closed and abandoned hazardous waste sites, provided for liability of persons responsible for releases of hazardous waste at these sites, and established a trust fund to provide for cleanup when no responsible party could be identified. The law authorizes two kinds of response actions: short-term removals, where actions may be taken to address releases or threatened releases requiring prompt response; long-term remedial response actions that permanently and significantly reduce the dangers associated with releases or threats of releases of hazardous substances that are serious but not immediately life-threatening. These actions can be conducted only at sites listed on EPA's National Priorities List. Cercla also enabled the revision of the National Contingency Plan. The National Contingency Plan provided the guidelines and procedures needed to respond to releases and threatened releases of hazardous substances, pollutants, and contaminants. The National Contingency Plan also established the National Priorities List.